So if you're, recording, of course you want to be able to mix your drums. You want to try to stem them out and be able to add and mix and do all of that stuff like that. So what we did was we included a multi-out patch for each one. When you're switching through patches, I don't think it was showing up before because of the way I had the screen. But the multi-out mode looks like this. So I can go multi-out right on this, and then I can go here in Studio One's plugin, and I can actually set my outs. Now we only use 11 outs, so you don't have to use anything beyond that. You get 16 outs, but we're only using 11, and you get like your kick on 1. That's why it always shows up. And then let me move this up so you guys can actually see the mixer. So you get your kick on 1, snare on 2, snare 1 on 2, snare aux snare on 3. Hi-hat on 4. What's on 5? I think tom, then your tom 5. That's on 10. No, 9. And then the overheads are coming out of 10. And then the room mic is, so if I just solo the room mic. You just get in the room on 11. You know what I'm saying? So you can do whatever you need to do with that. So you got multi-out on all of that. You know what I mean? And you can control all of that. So then you can get into mixing, or you can perform and play and then stem this out and send it to your mix engineer. Right. With Pro Drums, we give out, we did 120, I think 120, 130 different MIDI files. It's kind of a given if you're doing a drum library to kind of give MIDI along with it. And these are like some of the ones that come with it. We gospel heads. We had to put that in there. You know what I'm saying? We had to put the shout in there for you guys. Let's see. Let me bring the BPM back down. Let's bring it down to a groove pattern, like about 94. DC groove. Get your DC groove on. You know what I'm saying? So you get like 130 of these bad boys. You even got the, we threw in some 6/8. We're gonna do a full on like 6/8 3/4 pack. So we didn't go too heavy on this for that. But we threw some 6/8 stuff in there. We got your feeders. There it goes. Ooh, got a chop. Yeah. So you get the MIDI stuff, and you can do what you need to do with that.